When it comes to gaming on the go, nothing beats the convenience and excitement of a handheld game console. With technology advancing at lightning speed, the latest devices offer a blend of portability, powerful performance, and an extensive library of games. Whether you're a nostalgic player longing for classic titles or a modern gamer seeking the latest releases, there's a handheld console tailored just for you. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best handheld game consoles available today, highlighting their features, game selections, and the unique experiences they offer. Get ready to take your gaming adventures wherever life leads you. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5, Xinbaohong Clip-On, our pick for best budget ring light. The Xinbaohong Clip-On ring light is an excellent choice for those who want to elevate their smartphone photography without breaking the bank. This lightweight and compact accessory easily clips onto your phone, similar to a chip clip, making it a convenient addition to your photography toolkit. With multiple temperature settings and a continuous dimmer, you can effortlessly adjust the lighting to suit any environment, ensuring your selfies and social media posts look their best. Its simple design features a single power button that cycles through light modes, making it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're heading out for a day of adventure or just want to snap a quick selfie, this ring light can easily fit into your backpack, purse, or even your jacket pocket. It's perfect for budget-conscious individuals who don't want to sacrifice quality for affordability. However, it's important to keep in mind a few limitations. When using the ring light in portrait orientation, the clip can obstruct the rear camera on many smartphones, requiring you to adjust its position for non-selfie shots. Furthermore, while it provides decent illumination for close-up photos, it may fall short for subjects beyond arm's length. Lastly, the build quality feels less premium compared to other portable options. Despite these minor drawbacks, if you value simplicity, ease of use, and budget-friendly pricing, the Xinbaohong Clip-On is a solid choice for enhancing your mobile photography experience. Number 4, Logitech Litra Glow, our pick for best ring light for streaming. Are you in search of a compact and versatile lighting solution to elevate your video calls and streaming sessions? Meet the Litra Glow. While it may not be a traditional ring light, this portable light is designed to meet all your lighting needs. With 5 adjustable temperature settings ranging from a warm 3800 Kelvin, you can tailor the brightness and color temperature to perfectly match your environment. The controls for temperature and dimming are conveniently located on the back of the light, enabling you to make real-time adjustments without disrupting your flow. Plus, the included laptop mount allows you to effortlessly attach the Litra Glow to your screen, ensuring you achieve optimal lighting angles for every call and stream. Despite its compact size of just 3.25 inches, the Litra Glow delivers impressive performance that significantly enhances your visual presentation. Unlike traditional ring lights, its design minimizes distracting reflections in your eyes, giving you a polished and professional appearance every time. Weighing only 0.35 pounds with the mount, the Litra Glow is a perfect companion for travel and spontaneous setups. Whether you're a content creator, professional streamer, or simply aiming to improve your virtual interactions, this lighting solution is here to support your journey. Illuminate your presence with the Litra Glow and make every video call or streaming session your best one yet. Number 3, LUME Cube Cordless 18-inch, our pick for best ring light for professional content creators. Are you a professional videographer aiming to boost the quality of your video content? The LUME Cube 18-inch ring light could be your perfect solution. Renowned in the industry for its remarkable brightness, portability, and size, this ring light is ideal for various filming environments. Designed for convenience, it comes with a carrying case that accommodates the included 6.5-foot tripod stand and all necessary mounting equipment, making transportation and setup a breeze. You'll appreciate the freedom of working without being tethered to a power outlet, as the LUME Cube operates on 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. One of its standout features is the impressive color rendering index of up to 97. This means you'll achieve beautiful, natural-looking illumination that flatters your subjects, crucial for interviews, tutorials, and beauty videos. The intuitive dial controls empower you to adjust both brightness and color temperature effortlessly, giving you the precision you need for every shot. While the LUME Cube 18-inch ring light may come at a higher price point than some alternatives, its professional-grade features and exceptional performance justify the investment. By upgrading to this ring light, you can elevate your lighting setup, ensuring your videos stand out with stunning visuals. Enhance your creative projects and bring your vision to life with the exceptional quality of the LUME Cube 18-inch ring light. Your audience will notice the difference. Number 2. Pozliv Overhead Desk, our pick for best ring light for tabletop filming. Are you looking to elevate your overhead filming setup for crafting, cooking, or other tabletop activities? The Pozliv Ring Light Kit is here to enhance your experience. This versatile kit features a sturdy tripod designed to clip securely onto your desk, providing a stable platform for your filming device. With additional mounting options for both smartphones and cameras, capturing high-quality footage from above has never been easier. One of the key features of this kit is the ball and socket joint on the phone camera mount, which allows you to adjust your device's position with ease. This flexibility ensures you can achieve the perfect angle every time. Additionally, the included gooseneck mount for the ring light lets you fine-tune your lighting, helping you create optimal filming conditions for your projects. The tripod's one of 4 threading makes it compatible with a broad range of filming equipment, granting you the freedom to use various devices to suit your needs. Just remember, the tripod can support a maximum weight of 3 pounds, so heavier cameras may necessitate a different mounting option. If you're serious about taking your tabletop activities to the next level, the Pozliv Ring Light Kit is a practical and user-friendly solution. With improved lighting and stability, you'll be able to showcase your creative endeavors effortlessly. Invest in this kit and start capturing your creations like a pro. Number 1. NEEWER Ring Light RP19H, our pick for best ring light overall. Are you ready to elevate your photography, videography, or virtual calling experience? The NEEWER 19-inch ring light is designed with your needs in mind, providing you with an exceptional lighting solution. With adjustable color temperature and customizable brightness levels, you can create the perfect ambiance for every shot, ensuring you always look your best. This ring light comes equipped with 3 cold shoe smartphone mounts, making it easy to keep your devices securely in place while you stream or record. Plus, the 2 built-in USB ports keep your smartphones charged and ready to go, so you won't miss a beat during important sessions. The adjustable tripod offers impressive flexibility, extending from 31.5 to 72.8 inches. This means you can position the light just right, and with a 180-degree angle adjustment, achieving optimal lighting has never been easier. Control your setup effortlessly using the built-in buttons or the handy remote that lets you make adjustments from a distance. You'll find setting up the NEEWER 19-inch ring light to be a breeze, taking less than 2 minutes to get ready for action. When your session wraps up, simply pack it into the convenient carrying case for easy storage or transport. Upgrade your creative setup today with the NEEWER 19-inch ring light and experience professional quality lighting that enhances your work and brings out your best. Take that next step towards stunning visuals and impactful presentations. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which ring light you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.